Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be tackling the issue that most people face while trying to create a Facebook page, which is the point where Facebook tells you that you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. So this error has been stressing a lot of people, and I'll be showing you a way that you can be able to fix that for yourself today. So first of all, before we get started with fixing this issue, let's first of all understand why this error is actually coming up. And there are three cases why you might be seeing this error happening within your Facebook account. Now, the first one is when Facebook discovers a suspicious activity on your account, and this happens when you have created multiple pages in a short time frame. This can actually raise red flags from Facebook towards your account. The second one is technical glitches. Sometimes Facebook system may glitch, especially when you are using the app instead of the mobile website. Probably that's the issue for you, but at the end of the day, we are going to fix all of that in this video. While the third one is actually naming guideline violations. So if you are using names that don't comply with the Facebook guidelines, this might also be affecting you. But in general, if you are facing this issue, let's jump in and explore how you can fix this right now. So in order to fix this issue with the method I'll be showing you today, you need to use a VPN. So what is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual protected network that helps you to change your location. So probably your account is having issues with the location you are. As for me, I am in Nigeria, and most times when I have this issue, I just use a VPN to change my location to either the US or any other foreign countries, and this works for me. So some of the VPN I will recommend to you are Windscribe VPN, Thunder VPN, and also Express VPN. And in this video, I'll be using the Windscribe VPN. So I already have it installed on my Chrome here. So you can download it on your phone, or you can just also get the extension right here. Just search for Windscribe VPN and then put it right here. Then you just click on it like this, and you'll be prompted to log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you just register a simple account. It's free, and then you get started. So once you have your VPN already activated, just head over to create your page as usual. Go to pages, and then click on create new profile or page, and then select a page, and just click on get started. Then name your page whatever you intend to name it for the purpose you are creating it for. And once you are good, you just click on create your page. And as you can see, my page has been created. So I'll just head over to start doing all the necessary setups for my page. So this is how you can bypass the issue of not being able to create page that we always have on Facebook. So if this method don't work for you, look out for the next video that will be on my channel on another method you can use to actually bypass this issue that you're facing. So that is it on this video, guys. So I'll see you on another one, but don't just go yet. This is another video that YouTube recommends that you watch from my channel. Watch and enjoy.